नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता अकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम लोग क्लास 6 के जनरल साइंस में लेसन नंबर 11 वर्क एंड एनर्जी इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके, अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाहर कर सकते हैं। यह है लेसन नंबर 11 वर्क एंड एनर्जी, उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन ईच ब्लैंक with the appropriate term from the brackets. First, a bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Dash will be done when a dash is applied to this because there will be a dash of water. The answer is work, force, displacement. A bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Work will be done when a force is applied to do this because there will be a displacement of water. Second, if a ball is dropped on the sloping roof of the house, it acquires dash and fall on the ground. That is transformation of dash energy into dash energy takes place. The answer is motion, potential and kinetic. If a ball is dropped on the sloping roof of a house, it acquires motion and falls on the ground. That is transformation of potential energy to kinetic energy takes place. Third, you might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of dash energy into dash energy. The answer is chemical light. You might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of chemical energy into light energy. Fourth, the solar cooker is an application of the dash energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are applications of the dash energy of the sun. The answer is heat light. The solar cooker is an application of the heat energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are application of the light energy of the sun. Fifth, one laborer carried 4 pans of rolled metal through a distance of 100 meters. If he carries 2 pans of rolled metal through a 200-meter distance, dash work will be done. The answer is equal. One laborer carried 4 pans of rolled metal through a distance of 100 meters. If he carries 2 pans of rolled metal through a 200-meter distance, equal work will be done. Sixth, the capacity that an object has for doing work is called dash. The answer is energy. The capacity that an object has for doing work is called energy. Now next question. Question number 2, match the pairs group A and group B. इसको हमको मैच करना है. The answer is first, rolling object, kinetic energy. Second, food, chemical energy. Third, stretched bow, potential energy. Fourth, sunlight, heat energy. Fifth, uranium, atomic energy. Now next question. Question number 3. Can you tell? First, when can we say that displacement has taken place? The answer is when the position of any object changes, then we can say that displacement has taken place. Now next. Second, what should be taken into account for measuring work? The answer is for measuring work, both the force and the displacement must be considered. Now next. Third, what are the various forms of energy? The answer is mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy and electrical energy are the various forms of energy. Now next. Fourth, describe one natural chain of transformation of energy. The answer is plants prepare food by utilizing solar energy. The food produced is in the form of chemical energy. This food is consumed by animals. They develop muscular energy. The digestion of food also produce heat energy in the body. This natural chain of transformation of energy can be shown as follows. Solar energy to chemical energy, chemical energy to muscular energy and heat energy. Now next. Fifth, why should we save energy? The answer is saving energy is the need of the hour. When we produce energy, we need fuel on a very large scale. The fuels are also depleting fast from the earth. By more consumption of energy, lots of carbon dioxide is produced. This leads to global warming and pollution. In order to conserve our environment, we must save energy. Now next. Sixth, what is green energy? The answer is the energy resources which do not emit smoke and carbon products are called green energy resources. The energy produced in this way is the green energy. Now next. Seventh, what are the non-conventional energy resources? The answer is the inexhaustible and continuously available energy resources which were not traditionally used previously are called non-conventional energy resources. Example: solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, hydropower, atomic energy, energy obtained from the ocean waves. Now next, eighth, which forms of energy from the sun are used in solar energy devices? The answer is in solar cooker, solar heater and solar dryer, the heat energy from the sun is used, while in solar lamps light energy from solar energy is used. In solar cell, solar energy is used to produce electricity. Now next, ninth, why should we maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources? The answer is the non-conventional energy resources are renewable energy resources. They are inexhaustible and continuously available resources. On the other hand, the traditional non-renewable energy resources such as fossil fuels are getting fast depleted. They also create pollution and problems like global warming and climate change when used in excess. In order to save our earth and environment, we must maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources. Now next question. Question number 4. Who is the odd one out? First, diesel, crude oil, natural gas, wind. The odd one out is wind. Other are non-renewable fossil fuels. Now next, second, a running car, hauling a log, a book kept on a table, picking up the school bags. The odd one out is a book kept on the table. Others are showing displacement and thus possesses kinetic energy. Now next, third, sunlight, wind, waves, petrol. The odd one out is petrol. Others are renewable energy resources. Now next, fourth, leaving the fan on in a vacant room, leaving the TV on while working, using AC during winter, putting off the light when going out. The answer is putting off the light when going out. This is the only way to save energy. Others are actions of wasting energy. Now next question. Question number 5. Find out the types of energy from the following puzzles. ये पजल्स दिया गया है, इसमें से हमको एनर्जी के टाइप्स ढूंढने हैं. कौन कौन सी एनर्जी है? सोलार, पोटेंशियल, विंड, काइनेटिक, साउंड एंड हीट. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 11 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.